Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 18 East Lake Road on beautiful Loon Lake.
This is a spectacular waterfront home with breathtaking views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is phenomenal open waterfront living with a great room that embraces breathtaking lake views. Featuring a white and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a butcher block countertop, a breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the waterfront view dining area with a charming wood stove. And expansive living area with crown molding, all with an adjacent full bathroom and a wall of windows with double sliding glass doors to the wraparound deck. The setting will take your breath away.
Imagine waking up overlooking the lake in this cathedral ceiling primary bedroom with private balcony. Perfect for morning coffee or evening sunsets. Plus a second bedroom with hardwood floors, full bathroom and laundry. Enjoy great flex space with a finished bonus room attached to the two-car garage with a walkout lower level. Imagine the possibilities. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details. What an amazing waterfront property to enjoy.
This is the ultimate lake lifestyle with a wraparound entertainment-sized deck with multiple sitting and lounging areas, a charming path to a stone beach area, and dock with a stone break wall. Perfect for entertaining on the lake.
This is nature at its best. You may see the loons on the water, and with this exceptional location, you have spectacular sunsets too. Loon Lake is a Finger Lakes gem, the next Canandaigua lake to invest in now. Nearby wine country and everything that the Finger Lakes region has to offer. What a great place to live!
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 18 East Lake Road on gorgeous Loon Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!